Greetings, Braveheart. Welcome to a quick edition of seated arm stretches. I'm ZGALA. You can call me Aunt Angel if you like. And I'm just going to get right into it. I'm going to bring the left arm across the body, holding onto it with the right, and just wiggle that shoulder around. I like to invite you to follow my lead or follow your own lead. Make sure you listen to your own body. Rolling that shoulder the other way. I got some chronic arm issues that I'm contending with, so just trying to remember my stretches every day and encourage you to do the same. I think I'm not alone in carrying a lot of tension in the arms. So right now I'm just basically holding on to this arm and doing an assisted stretch. I'm just noticing how it's feeling on that side. And I'm going to wing that arm to the back a little bit for a counter stretch. And then bring the other arm across the body. And again, holding on to it with the opposite arm for support. So it's sort of a combination passive active stretching I'm doing. This is definitely active stretching. As you see, I'm holding the arm in a stretch position and then moving the arm with its own muscles. That's active stretching. A passive stretch would be to relax this arm and just use this other arm. Or if I was working on you as a massage therapist, I would move the arm around for you and try to get you to relax the arm. That's passive stretching. It's most effective to combine, go back and forth, not necessarily at the same time like I'm doing here, although that can be effective too. But alternating between passive and active stretching is a great way to increase your range of motion and really let go of more stress in your body. I tend to hold so much stress in my arm that sometimes it just takes shaking it up and trying out all sorts of different things. Again, I know I'm not alone in that. So I'm just wiggling that shoulder around, just trying to get that range of motion increased, get it to let go of stress, bringing it to the back and doing a little counter stretch. And while I'm doing that, I'm noticing how the two sides are the same, how they're different, not to judge, just to notice as part of my routine to listen to my body, which I encourage you to do as well. I'm gonna scooch back just a little bit so I can do some small, medium, and large circles. We'll do some small circles with the hands. There's not one way to do this. I encourage you to explore, see what feels good, try out different things. I find it is slightly painful, but in the long run feels good to do these small circles with my hands and wrists where I tend to, again, carry a lot of tension. And then let's shake that out. And let's do some shoulder rolls or elbow circles, medium circles. You can put your hands on your shoulders for that. Or if that's not comfortable, you can try just rolling the shoulders without the hands on them. If you'd like to involve the breath, you can slow that down a little bit and breathe in on the way up and exhale on the way down. I got some face itches. Let's do some bigger circles. Breathing in on the way up. Winging the arms back. Coming up. And going the other way. I don't know if you can hear that crackle pop. Breathing in on the way up and exhaling on the way down again. Shake that out. Let's give a couple little shoulder shrugs. I wanted to keep this nice and short and sweet, a little stretching snack, as I call it. Make sure and like and subscribe if that did anything for you, or let me know in the comments if it didn't, and I'll keep trying to do better. Above all, stay curious, courageous, fit and free as you can. Thanks for being you. Thanks for letting me be me. I'll be seeing you. Peace.